Let's start with today's topic. My today's topic is linear equation in two variables. Yesterday we have already done few sums regarding this. Today I am going to solve more sums from the practice set 1.1. Let's begin with the sums. This is my first question which we have already done yesterday. This is question number 2, first sum. 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. I'll take this as equation number 1. Second, a plus b is equals to 22. This I'll take it as equation number 2. Now let's solve this. If you remember the rules are it should be opposite signs and same pairs. I explained you yesterday that it should be opposite signs and same pairs. So if you look at the question, there are same pairs but no opposite signs are there. So what you have to do here, you have to subtract here. Now why subtract? Because there are addition. This is an addition, this is also an addition. So make it reverse, make it opposite signs. You have to take a subtraction here. So let's subtract this. After subtracting, I get this. 3a minus a is nothing but 2a. Plus is plus, plus minus is minus. So this gets cancelled. This is equals to 26 minus 22 is 4. Therefore, I get a as 2 because 2 2s is 4. This is 4 upon 2. So this is 2. Therefore, my value of a we get is as a is equals to 2. Now, you have to do the substitution which we already have done yesterday. Substitute a is equals to 2 in equation number 1. What was my equation number 1? 3a. So, 3 into 2 plus 5b is equals to 26. 6 plus 5b is equals to 26. Now 5b is equals to 26 minus 6. Why minus 6? Because 6 is having a positive sign. No sign means a positive sign. 6 when shifted to here, it converts into minus. Therefore 5b is equals to 20. Therefore b is equals to 20 upon 5. This gets cancelled. Therefore, my b is equals to 4. So, I get the value of a as 2 and b as 4. Let's check another sum. This is my second sum. X plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is my first equation. This is my second equation. Now, if you remember the rules that are opposite signs and same pairs. I'm not having here same pairs but opposite signs are there. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply the equations to get the similar pairs. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 7. Always write down your steps while writing or solving the equations. So after multiplying equation number 1 by 2 and second by 7, we get 2x plus 2 7s are 14y is equals to 2 10s are 20. Yes, you have to multiply this numbers also. That is 20. Next, I get 7 3s as 21x minus 7 2s as again 14y is equals to 7 7s as 49. Now, if you look at the equation, I'll say this is as my equation third and this is fourth. If you look at the equation, there are opposites, signs and same pairs. So we can easily cancel this signs. Now here you have to add it because already there were signs present. No need to subtract it. So here you have to add it. This I get as 23x is equals to this is 9 and this is 69. Therefore, x is equals to 69 upon 23. This gets cancelled. This is 3. Therefore, my x value is 3. Therefore, my x is 3. Now, you have to do the substitution. Substitute x equals to 3 in equation number 1. My equation number 1 was x, which is 3 plus 7y is equals to 10. Therefore, 7y is equals to 10 minus 3. Again minus because plus sign is shifted towards this. Therefore, y is equals to 7 upon 7. This gets cancelled. Therefore, y is equals to 1. I get the value of y is equals to 1. Now let's take the third sum. This is 2x minus 3y is equals to 9. This is my first equation. Second, 2x plus y is equals to 13. This is my second equation. Now if you look at the equation, there are opposite signs but no same pairs. That is the rule for solving the linear equation. So here you have to do the subtraction. Now why subtraction? Because here is the same pair and here are the opposite sides. No need to look towards this. You can take it this also. So I am having opposites signs and same pairs. So here I'll be subtracting it. Why I'm subtracting it? Because here is a positive sign. So I'll be subtracting the equations. So after subtraction, I get here 2x and 2x, this gets cancelled. Then y, 3y and plus y. Plus minus is minus, minus minus is plus. Therefore this is my 4y, but sign of the greater number is minus, so this is my 4y is equals to, here also we'll take minus, 9 minus 13 is 4, but sign of the greater number is 13 minus, so I'll take it as minus 4. Therefore y is equals to 1, because minus minus is plus and this gets cancelled. I get the value of y as 1. Now you have to do the substitution. Substitute y is equals to 1 in equation 1 again, which is 2x minus 3y, means 3 into 1 only, is equals to 9. Therefore 2x is equals to 9. Now here look, the number is not positive, it is minus 3. So if minus is shifted towards this place, it's get converted into plus, that is 9 plus 3. Therefore 2x is equals to 9 plus 3 is 12. Therefore x is equals to 12 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore the value of x is 6. So first I got the value of y, which is 1, and then I got the value of x, that is 6. Now 4th, 5th and 6th are of same type of sums. You can do it on your own and you can comment me the answers which you got it. Let's begin with the next sum. My 7th sum. This is a big sum but not that much difficult. Let's begin. 99x plus 101y is equals to 499. This is my first equation. 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. This is my second equation. Now if you look at the equation, there are no opposite pairs and not even the same pairs and opposite signs. So what you have to do here? I have taught you yesterday that you have to multiply it, and now also we have already done it. So multiply the equations by what? Equation 1 by 99 and 2 by 101. Take the opposites, which we have already done by 7 2s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. So what we get is here 99x into 99 done, plus 101y into 99 is equals to 499 into 99. It is a big sum but not that much difficult. Next, 101x multiplied by 101 plus 101 multiplied by 99 is equals to 501 multiplied by 101. So this is my third equation and this is my fourth equation. So what answers I am getting here? If you look at the equation, do you remember anything after looking towards these two numbers? You have any idea? Okay, no problem. I'll explain you. I'll write down 99 square minus 101 square, the whole bracket square, the whole bracket x. Now you remember, it is a formula. Yes, it is a formula which we used, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. Okay, now let's solve our sums. So 49 into 99 minus, why minus? Because this you have to do the subtraction. Why subtraction? Because there are positive signs, so you have to subtract the sums. So I'll write down this as 99 plus 101 in one bracket, 99 minus 101 in another bracket. Okay, and this is my x is equals to, now I have already solved and kept for you to save your time, that is, this answer is 49401 minus 5061. You can check it after I finish my video. Then 99 plus 101, this is 2, this is 2, then this gives me 200. Then multiply, because brackets means multiplication. Now minus, why minus? Sign of the greater number, this is 2x is equals to minus, again minus because sign of the greater number, this is 1200. Now therefore my x is equals to minus 1200 upon 400, and this is minus. Why 400 I got? Because 200 into 2x is nothing but 400x. So I got x here and 1200 and up and minus 400 down. This gets cancelled. This is 4 ones are 4 threes are. Therefore the value of x I get as 3, because minus minus is plus, positive. Now I got the value of x. Same you have to follow. Substitute x is equals to 3 in equation number 1. So substitution of x is equals to 3 in equation 1 we get as, equation 1 was, let's write down the equation, 99x plus 101y is equals to 499. So my x value is 99 into 3 plus 101y is equals to 499. This is 27297 plus 101y is equals to 499. Therefore 101y is equals to 499 minus, because this is shifting, 297. This I get as, this is 2, this is, so I get this. Therefore my y is 202 upon 101. This gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. Therefore the value of y is 2. X I got as, x value as 3 and y value as 2. Now next sum is of same type, that is my 8th, the last of the practice set 1, that is 49x minus 57y is equals to 172. This is my first equation. Next 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. This is my second. So I'll give you a hint here and you can solve it on your own. That my hint is, multiply equation number 1 by 49 and 2 by 57. You just have to multiply each other by the numbers. This as 49 and this as 57. So this was for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.